Hey YouTube, today we're going to teach you how to do nails step by step. First step, file the nail bed.
Right off the map, when I hit him with this whole 100 round. Young jock in the club with my clock. You wanna play it, then this bitch go.
Next, put the glue on the tip. Put the tip on the nail and press it down with the side. Yep, like that.
Hey, feeling good.
Next, we clip it.
I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines.
Next, we're gonna clip the sides and she won't coffin. Now we're gonna shape it so it looks like coffin.
Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, a cop car with a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met?
Now let's add some primer.
We like the cars that go boom. We're anti-gruff and funny, and we like.
Now let's apply the acrylic from top to bottom. Make sure you do it right. It's like you push the side, not touch the cuticle, and you would then let it drip down and slowly start dab and tap the side, and slowly you form a good form of nail acrylic. Not too thick, not too thin, but just right, and that's it. Make sure you hit the side a little bit down so that way it's bonded with your real nail. For example, look at it. See how I dab that from the cuticle? You want to hit it down a little bit so it bond with your real nail.
What you do? I like the way you do that right there. Switch your hips when you walk and let down your hair.
Next, we just shape the nail.
You're the chosen one.
Alright, it's time to file. Make sure you file close to the cuticle, but not too close where you don't cut the skin or the cuticle, but make sure it's smooth and it's flesh with it.
I might link my ting from barking. 7 a.m. in the morning. She's calling, I'm yawning. She's jarring, no stalling. I might link my ting from barking. 7 a.m. in the morning. She's calling, I'm yawning.
Next, we clean under the nail so that way they don't have anything under it, or they'll pick on it, or they'll scratch on it.
I'm sipping Hennessy.
Next, we buff it. Make sure it's smooth and clean under the nail and everything, you know, but not too hard, but gentle.
Hey, feeling good, like I should.
Next, I don't do this, but because I want to make this video, so I like to cut the cuticle so it looks clean.
We got everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride. It's been a long day.
Now let's paint the first layer.
Psycho to psychoanalyze. Leave all of your inhibitions behind. Tonight let's test all the borderlines. Like how far does the indigo go? Boy, let's fight out, take the longer way home. Have my body all superimposed right on top of yours. Oh,
Second layer. Whew, long way to go, but second layer.
so come on.
Alright, we're adding top coat now. rhinestone. So I'm gonna drill it on top of the nail first. Then I'm just gonna put glue and put the rhinestone on top, and that's how I seal my rhinestone. Watch more video, and one day I'll teach you how to put rhinestone.
I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines. It's like you're running in place. Yeah. How you keep staying the same. Yeah. But baby, I guess I'm something different, and I'm okay. I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines. It's like you're running in place. Yeah. How you keep staying the same. Yeah. But baby, I guess I'm something different, and I'm okay.
Ain't do what you do. I like the way you do that right there, right there. Switch your hips when you walk and let down your hair, down your hair. I like the way you do that right there, right there. Lick your lips when you're talking, that make me stir. Ain't do what you do. I like the way you do that right there, right there. Switch your hips when you walk and let down your hair, down your hair. I like the way you do that right there, right there. Lick your lips when you're talking, that make me stir.
And I rise up, I rise like the day. I rise up, I rise unafraid. I rise up, and I do it 1,008 times again. And I rise up, I like the waves. I rise up, in spite of the ache. I rise up, and I rise up, I rise like the day. I rise up, I rise unafraid. I rise up, and I do it 1,008 times again. And I rise up, I like the waves. I rise up, in spite of the ache. I rise up.
Thank you. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you later.
I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass, I'm a bitch. I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass, I'm a bitch. I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass, I'm a bitch. I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss.